Hey guys, I have a new vine and leaf pattern for you today that will show you how to create a vine with leaves on just one side. I've created a few vine and leaf patterns in the past. If you'd like to check them out, please see my playlist labeled Macrame Flower and Vine Patterns. Okay, let's get started. For your setup, cut 3 pieces of string, each piece is 2.5 meters in length. I cut my pieces 2 meters in length and they were a bit short after making 2 leaves. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using a lark's head knot. We will start by making a leaf. Use the cord on the left as your filler cord and tie 5 double half hitch knots. Using the second cord from the right as your filler cord, tie 4 double half hitch knots working up and underneath the previous row of knots. Using the same filler cord, tie another 4 double half hitch knots working down and underneath the previous row of knots. Using the same filler cord, tie another 4 rows of 4 double half hitch knots working up and then down. Use the cord on the right as your filler cord and the next cord on the left as your working cord and tie a double half hitch knot. Tie 4 more double half hitch knots. Repeat that process a second time to create another leaf. Continue tying your vine. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.